Guys, look at what just came in the mail. I'm so excited. I feel like it's Christmas morning and Santa just brought all my presents and I'm about to open them. As I'm sure you've heard if you follow Pulp Riot, they created a permanent color line called Faction 8, and this is one of the kits that they introduced to bring it into your salon. This is the Pulp Riot Faction 8 Infinity Box, and I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys, but I'm too excited to really talk about it anymore. Let's just get right in this box and see what they gave me. It lets you know that the Infinity Box includes 48 essential shades. Each tube is 2 ounces. You get a 20 volume developer, a Faction 8 color book, and a Faction 8 window cling. On the side here, they have a Faction 8 QR code, so if you want info about the line, you can scan that with your smartphone and get some info. Let's unbox this bad boy. It's so pretty. Right on top here, it lets us know there are 80 shades. There's 10 color families, and they have naturals, ash, violet, gold, coppers, reds, mattes, browns, boosters, and high lifts. All right, let's get in this box. When you open the lid, there's your QR code again. If you want education, you can scan that. We in here! I don't even know what I want to pull out first. Okay, let's start with our color book. Oh no! I think you have to assemble it yourself. Here is the color book. It's gorgeous already. So this is just the binder. The pages aren't in here yet, but here is Blonde AF. Over here you have color families, color wheel. They break down what their strokes mean, and you have mixing ratios and processing times. For regular Faction 8 colors, it's going to be 1:1 with a processing time of 35 minutes. High lifts are going to be 1:2, process 45 to 55 minutes, and that is color to peroxide for that. Let's put this bad boy together. Okay. So a lot of swatches here, and I got too excited and dumped them all over the floor. So they're super out of order. Let's see if we can figure out how this goes. How do these go? I'm so confused. Okay, let's start with our, what the fuck am I doing? Okay, we're gonna pause.
2,000 years later.
I just paused for a second while I got all my pages in order because they were all over the place and it took me a while. So here's where we start. We have this girl looking like a badass on the front. So here are naturals and double naturals. They all look super pretty. I love all of Pulp Riot's artwork. Like, I just think it's so cool that they design all their stuff like this. It just looks awesome. We move into our natural golds. Natural golds go from level 4 to level 10. These are the ashes. They go from level 5 to level 10. And then the violets. So they have a level 9 and 10 violet, and then they also have double violet, so stroke 2 2s down here, and that goes from levels 3 to 5. This is our gold swatch and gold coppers. Gold coppers go from level 6 to level 8, golds from level 4 to 10. Then here are the regular coppers, level 5 to 9. Those are really pretty too. We have this gorgeous little divider here, and these are red violets, so level 3 to level 6 for the red violets. The reds Regular reds go from level 4 to 7, and then they also have intensive reds down here. These are stroke 6/6, and that's level 4 to level 7 as well. These are the mattes, which I'm guessing is going to be a green base based on the green at the top up here, but I will do a little bit of background info just to double check that before I actually start using them. But greens or mattes go from level 3 to level 6, so that'll be awesome if you're trying to neutralize any red tones. The brown shades go from level 4 to 8. Boosters are over here, so you can custom mix a lot of your formulas too. And then the high lifts over here, these look awesome. I love high lifts. That's our Faction 8 color book. Very cool. First of all, to show you guys, this is their 20 volume developer. There's my cat trying to figure out what we're doing. Here's my window cling. I don't know if you can see it. It just says Faction 8 by Pulp Riot. I almost want to put this on my car instead of my salon window, but we'll see what happens with that. I'm going to individually pull each one of these tubes out and read every one of them to you guys. Let's start over here. The first one you get is a 6-stroke 3. Level 6 gold. Have an 8-stroke 3, level 8 gold, 7-stroke 0, so that's going to be a 7 natural. This is going to be a booster. This is stroke 6/6. Sorry, I'm switching from Wella, so I can already tell I'm going to be getting confused on the strokes for a while. Let's check and see what the stroke 6/6 actually is. Okay, stroke 6/6 is going to be our red booster, so you get a red booster. 4-stroke 0/0, so this is going to be like an intense natural, level 4. 7-stroke 8, so this is your level 7 brown. 6-stroke 0/3, so 6 natural gold. 8-stroke 3/4, level 8, I believe that's a gold copper. 5-stroke 6/6, level 5 intense red. 7-stroke 0/3, 7 level 7 natural gold. 7-stroke 0/0, so intense level 7. 9-stroke 0, so 9 natural. 10-stroke 3, so a level 10 gold. 5-stroke 0/0, 5 intense natural. 5-stroke 7, so this is a level 5 matte. I'm glad they gave me this because this is the level that I use a lot when I am canceling reds. So I'm really glad to have this. I'm going to use this one a lot. I can already tell. Ooh, this is our first high lift. So this is a level 11 stroke 2/1. So stroke 2/1. The stroke 2 is going to be our violet and 1 is our ash. So level 11 violet ash high lift. Dope. 4-stroke 6, level 4 red. 5-stroke 0, level 5 natural. 5-stroke 5, I believe the 5 was our, what's a 5? What's a 5? Red violet. 6-stroke 8. So level 6 brown. Here's another booster. This is stroke 1/1 and the 1/1 is ash. So this is our ash booster. 8-stroke 0/0. Another booster. Stroke 3/3, which is our gold, I think. Yes, stroke 3/3. So this is going to be your like yellow gold booster. 7-stroke 4, level 7 red. 8-stroke 4, so level 8 red. 6-stroke 0, so a natural 6. 4-stroke 7, 7 is the matte, so a level 4 matte. 8-stroke 1, so a level 8 ash. And 8-stroke 0, so natural level 8. 9-stroke 0/3, which was a level 9 natural gold. 6-stroke 3/4. 3/4 is going to be a gold copper, so this is a level 6 gold copper. 7-stroke 6-6, these are the intensive reds, so a level 7 intense red. 6-stroke 0-0, intense natural, level 6. 5-stroke 8, so this is a level 5 brown. 10-stroke 2, this is going to be a pretty one. This is a level 10 violet. 3-stroke 0, I love dark naturals. I'll probably do this one on my head at some point, honestly. 4-stroke 0, again, love the dark naturals, so I'm going to be using this one a lot. 7-stroke 1, so this is a level 7 ash. 3-stroke 5. 5 was our red violet, I believe. Let me double check. Yes. Okay. So level 3 red violet. So this is going to be dark and gorgeous. I already know it. 6-stroke 6, a level 6 red. This one's going to be another one of my favorites, I'm sure. The level 9 stroke 2. So it's going to be a level 9 violet. 10-stroke 0, so level 10 natural. 5-stroke 2-2, this one's going to be gorgeous as well. It's a level 5 intense violet, so this is going to give you like a really rich like plum color, I bet. Ooh, and what if you added in violet kicker with it? So many possibilities already. Ooh, a level 1 stroke 0. I told you guys, I love the dark naturals. This one's going to be dope. We have a level 9 intense natural. Here's another high lift. So this is a level 11 stroke 1-1. So that's going to be a level 11 ash. Again, the mixing ratio for the high lifts is going to be 1:2, and that's color to peroxide. And the processing time is 45 to 55 minutes for those. Here is a level 9 stroke 1, so that's going to be a level 9 ash. And here's the last one. So the last one is a level 4 stroke 3, so a level 4 gold. I bet this is going to give you like an awesome, really rich brunette. All right, guys, so that was my infinity box unboxing. Nothing else in there. So again, wait, there is something else in there. What is this? Ew, little pamphlet here. So here's our little pamphlet that can go in your color dispensary room. So on the front it just gives you all of the color families. So up here there is your mixing ratios and processing times for your regular Faction 8 shades and the high lift. Here is all of your color families across the top. So it just tells you all the shades, levels, and tones there. At the bottom down here it tells you which peroxide you should use, so that's pretty cool. It tells you examples of when to use 6 volume all the way up to 40. Here is your, oh, that's awesome. They put the color families down here and also showed you exactly where they were on the color wheel. So yes, your stroke 7, the matte, is going to be a green base. So glad we figured that out together. And here is your lightning spectrum. So level 1 is going to be the darkest brown and the underlying tones. This is going to be awesome to hang up in your like back bar or dispensary area. Comment below and let me know if you guys have ordered any of their Faction 8 startup kits, what shades you're most excited to try. If you have any questions about the Infinity Box, I'll definitely be glad to answer what I can, so drop that below as well. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I am reboxing it now so I can carry it all in my salon, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Remember to share it to your friends so they can see exactly what is in this fantastic Pulp Riot Infinity Box, and remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!